the right race have been trumpeting over the world as though they are peacemakers, as though they want all the world to be at peace, while they are sitting on 20 and 30 million blacks in America brought out of their native land and people from their gods. The wicked always believe that they are mightier than God, so they thwart the plan against God. But God too has come to judge a right race of people. You see, judgment has come to you, white America. And there are 4 great judgments that are visiting you. We see the rain, hail, snow, earthquakes. We see fire. And we see many other pledges. See, America, she's in a grip of a divine judgment as Pharaoh was. You see, her economy is crashing. Stock markets are going up. And there's a lot is being shared. So you think this make everything all right? There's a lull before the storm. And the storm can be delayed every hour. But it's totally up to them to make good of this day. So Jesus says, giving a believer a drink of water and that being a good act, see, God will prolong their time. God will put a great extension of time. But it's not in their nature. So we see God too is planning. And God is the best planner, knowing their thoughts before they was ever made. Are you hearing me?